Hello everyone, welcome to day 15th of January Lead Code Challenge, and today's question is get maximum in a generated array. The question says that you need to generate an array using few set of rules, and you need to obtain the maximum out of that array. Let's walk through the question together. The rules are as specified. The first index will be 0. Nums of I will be the new array will be 0. Nums of 1 will be 1. Nums of 2 of I equals to nums of I. That means whenever nums is even, its value will be as that of the half value that is there at the I by 2 index. If the index is odd, then if it is 2i plus 1, then its value equals to nums of I plus nums of I plus 1. You generate this array, you get the maximum out of it. This is what the question says, and this is what we need to return. Here they have iterated the logic for creating a new array. Nums of 0 is 0, nums of 1 is 1. Nums of 2i equals to 2 equals to 2 into 1 equals to 2. That means nums of 2 equals to nums of 1 equals to 1. And nums of 3 equals to nums of 1 plus nums of 2, that is 2 again. Nums of 4 equals to nums of 2 equals to 1. Nums of 5 equals to nums of 2 plus nums of 3, that is 3, and so on. So this is what we get in the last, and the maximum value inside this array is 3. This is what we need to return. Looks like a slightly complicated question the way they have elaborated it here. Let me just simplify it in my terms. So starting the slideshow that I have created, taking a pen, highlighter pen. Let's use a blue pen today. So let's reiterate the formula, and let's generate the array. Array of 0 equals to 0, array of 1 equals to 1. Array of I equals to array of I by 2 if I is even. We know that if I is even, I index is even, then the value would be equal to what that is being currently held by I by 2 index. However, if I is odd, then the value held at I equals to array of I by 2 plus array of I by 2 plus 1. So I have just restated those formulas, reformulated it in a different way, and the formula still remains the same. So let's let's generate the array. Array of 0 equals to 0, array of 1 equals to 1, array of 2. That means 2 being even equals to I by 2, that is 1. Array of 3 being odd equals to I by 2 is 3 by 2 is 1, and 3 by 2 plus 1 is 2. So sum of these two numbers, it becomes 2. Array of 4 equals to, it's 4 being odd even, equals to array of 2. Array of 2 is 2. Array of 2 is 1, so we get 1 here. Array of 5 is odd. 5 by 2 is 2. Array of 2 is 1 plus array of 3. That means 1 plus 2 is 3. We get 3. Array of 6 being even, the value held will be equal to that of 3. Since it would be I by 2, 6 by 2 is 3, so the value here is 2. Sorry, it will be 2. Sorry for the typo. And we have 7 now. 7 by 2 is 3. So you get 2 from here plus the next value at the next index, that would be 4. So 2 plus 1 would be 3 again. So we get 3. The maximum value in this array becomes 3. The answer is 3. We return 3. Let's quickly code this up. So defining the new array of nums array generated equals to size equals to n plus 1, because we need to take care of the 0th index. Array of 0 equals to 0, although it is not needed. Array of 1 equals to 1, makes sense. And let's generate the complete array and find the maximum in it. Maximum equals to 0, I equals to n, I plus plus, and let's check if I modulus 2 equals to 0, that means it's even. What will be the value at this index? Equals to that of the value present at I by 2 index. However, if it is odd, then this value plus the value at the next index. Pretty simple, not a tough question today. And we need to get the maximum in this array, math.max, max comma array of I. And once we are done with this, we'll return max outside. Also, let's handle corner cases. If n equals to 0, that means return 0. Also, if max would be 1 here because array of 1 is this, so instead of 0, let's initialize it to 1. And let's try and submit this up. Accepted. The time complexity of this approach would be order of n, and the space complexity again would be of order of n, because you are needing extra space to store the array, the new array, and n being the input number given to us. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Thanks.